Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 170PS 290 Sport Front-Wheel Drive L2 ULEZ Compliant Spares OR Repairs Simple Fix. With ROOD rack smiling face with hearts. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 109,024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat S in 2020. Click the link in the description for pictures and more